BB Steel Fabricators in Washington, Utah manufactures large-scale steel structures using huge CNC machines to drill precision holes at exact measurements. The machine uses a fine mist of AIM extreme duty lubricant at the location of each hole to be drilled and directly on the drill bit itself. The lubricant extends the life of the tool and allows for a cleaner cut with a fine finished hole in a single pass. The CNC machine rides on rails that are also lubricated using AIM extreme duty lubricant. This allows for smooth movement with very little friction, thus extending the life of the moving parts and any metal-on-metal components. BB Steel Fabricators has been so impressed with AIM they buy it in 5-gallon increments and use it in all manufacturing and maintenance of their machines and tools. In addition to using AIM Extreme Duty on the CNC machine, they also use it on their punch and stamping machine. The lubrication allows for a cleaner punch and helps keep the bits sharper longer, thus saving money. When using it in stamping, the lubrication ensures a smooth and deeper stamp on the metal without having to press it multiple times. AIM is used to lubricate all the machines and keep them in top working condition with minimal downtime.